kinky coil. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hair. I will show you everything about the hair, the prices, everything about her from the hair factory, guys. How many weeks ahead? The sun here. Thank you for stopping by, and please stay tuned because I'm here for you. Today's video is all about this Wow hair haul. I'm here to show you this hair from Wow Hair Factory. Guys, see? Look at that. So we're gonna open this bag to see everything in here. Like I said before, it's from Wow Hair Factory. Direct from factory. You know what it means for a hair to come directly from the factory. So let's go there. I'm gonna open this bag before you guys. Let me open. Meanwhile, this is wig. I have the video about this hair. You can go check it out. Check it out. Okay, I'm opening this. I didn't even remember to bring scissors. With this hair, I will show you everything about the hair, the prices, everything about it. Before I go on, I don't just want to start talking about the customer care. Like the customer care, I don't want to talk about it. Their customer care is 1 in a million. So let's go straight into the hair. These are the hairs. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is a free gift. Free gift, the first thing I saw. Wow. Like this hair, it doesn't have any brand because it's factory. For example, if Elisan wants to start up a hair business, I can now give them my name, Elisan. Then whenever you see the bag, it will be a Elisan. So you are just seeing it like that. I will open everything one after the other. Then at the end of the day, I now open the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and it has this extra bag here. It has an extra bag. Look at this. All these bags are just for you to pack in your hair after using it. There are some people that just position their hair on the manicure, but to me, I don't do that because of dust. So let's open the bag. Let me see what is inside. Ooh la la. Ooh. Two hairs are in one bag. Okay, maybe that's why they put extra one bag inside there. So let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. This one is 14 inches. 14 inches. Wow. That's so lovely. Guys. This is kinky coil. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so lovely. This is kinky hair. Oh, look at this hairband wig. Hairband wig. I love this hairband wig. Like before, I'm not a fan of hairband wig. I'm not a fan of hairband wig, but due to sometimes you are busy, you want to go pick the kids from school, you want to just rush on an errand, you just wear it immediately without waste of time. And this hair cost please, hairband wig kinky coil is 14 inches. It cost 30 euros because it's from the factory. Imagine if I'm to sell this hair now and I bought it 30 euros. You know how much it will be, and it's 14 inches. I just love it. I wish I'm not putting on this hair. Like exactly, just put it on like this. Now go get yourself a very beautiful hairband. So that is it for this one. Just guys, oh my goodness, I love this. I just love it. Kinky coils, I love it. This is exactly what I want. And so this one is 8 inches. 8 inches bob wig. This is 8 inches bob wig, but it's T-part wig. T-part wig. It costs 32 euros. 32 euros. Look at that. Just, oh my goodness. This is giving me joy. Yeah, this is T-part wig. It's, look at that. Look at that. T-part wig. T-part wig, and it's T-part wig, bob wig. Just imagine, I've not washed this hair, I've not stretched the hair, I've not done anything. It's just giving me what I want. Oh god, you don't know how happy I am over this. This is just 8 inches, 32 euros. Now tell me, if I want to sell this hair, let's assume that I'm selling hair, I want to sell this hair, guys, you know now, you know just who is feeling this hair. Oh my goodness. Wow Hair Factory is a factory that if you want to start up hair business come 2023, you want to start up hair business, I think this is the best for you. You just go there, pick all these little hair and start selling. By the time you know it, girl, you don't become hair vendor, you know, like that. Yes. This one here, I don't know what is here, but let me see. Oh, I didn't even look at this. This guys packed this for me. Look at that. This is body wave, 18 inches body wave, and this is for 4x4. This is 4x4 body wave. Let's take time to talk about this closure. This is 4x4. Just look at this. Just look at this. Look at this. Are you seeing it? I love this hair factory. I love them so much. Since 2019, I have been dealing with this hair factory. Seriously, I've been dealing with them. Just imagine, guys. What are you not talking? I'm not even showing you all. This has this. And this, you know how it used to be now. The thing is that you just take time, take away this comb. I always pull these combs and use it anytime I'm doing like my personal wig, U-part wig or something. Like, I'm so in love. Look at this thing. The next one is this. This is 20 inches straight hair. Oh my goodness, like, guys, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, this is 20 inches T-part wig. Guys, look at that. And look at this, just like the other one. All you have to do is just to take time, cut it. From the edge here, there is lace as well. The only difference with this hair is that you would not like part it if you want to part like side or anything. If you need side, just shift the parting there. Okay, that's how it goes. You can do all back with it. This T-part wig, you can still go all back with T-part wig. Girl, there is no need wasting money in buying 13 by 14. There is no need wasting money. This hair costs $62. $62. That is the cost of this hair. This is straight. All I need to do is just to take time, cut off the lace, wash it, cut off the lace, stretch it. Look at that. Who is not saying? Guys, the goodness about this hair factory is that they have this. You just use this, hook the hair, then at the same time use this also. Use this also. That's the good thing about it. Another one is this one. This is 14 and 12 inches body weight. 14 and 12 inches body weight. 14 and 12 inches body weight. Look at that. 14 and 12 inches. I choose this one because I want to use it for a kind of U-part wig, other U-part wig or V-part wig. That's why I ordered these two pieces, 14 and 12 inches. Guys, this is all I have from Wow Hair Factory. It's all I have from the hair factory, guys. How many wigs I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 hair. 5. This is all I have. I tell you that my favorite is this bob wig. My favorite is this bob wig. I just love the way the hair just curved, even when I have not touched the hair. Like, this hair factory is factory that is so affordable for you. If you want to start up a hair business, like, you start with the little amount that you have. As time goes on, you can now, like, you know, see why it looks as if that human hair is so expensive, because it goes from factory to company, from company to wholesaler, from wholesaler to retailer, then to you, the final consumer. That's why it's so expensive. But with this, you just jump and pass all these other protocols. You just jump and pass them and find yourself here. Can't you say thank you to Elisan? And thank you to our hair. Okay guys, this is all I have today. This hair, that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Are you gonna shop with them? I'll put the website, everything in the comment section in case if you need it. So stay tuned and wait for me next time.